this little alleyway, there's a place called the Hole in the Wall, and there it is. And right next door is the Devon Arms. Actually, there is something a bit oldie worldy about this place. Do you think the glass is old as well?
Yes.
Like a bottle top finish on there. He don't give a shit. So we're just in here in a little snug. A lot of these old pubs have just little parts like this cut off, and snugs just like a little booth, and you've got your own door.
Oh, Jesus! I've done 3.
You can't do it.
Actually, that's a lie. I've done 2.
Oh.
I just could you not whine? You going to film me? Right, move around.
Well, you're a bit close.
Just tell her I can do 2. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. 1. I've done 1.
Well done.
I can't. Oh.
Oh God, you can do
2.
No, it's a spirit.
Hang on. 3.
That's after 1 glass of wine.
4. 5. 6.
Okay, wait, my turn.
Right, you gonna have a go?
Ready,
Yeah,
go.
ready, go.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
See, she's
Easy.
on a double. She's on a double. I've only had 1 small glass of wine.
Well, you better start training.
Jesus. I'll come.